everybody. This is Schmexy Pig, and as you all know, Zach's way too tall.
Yeah.
And
yay! He's our mascot, see his bow.
Yeah.
Now, our topic of the day is this.
What should its name be?
And
Leave it at
Schmuckums.
then, since we have a name for that,
Cuddles number 3.
Cuddles number 3.
yes.
Alright, so here's the story of
Wait.
Cuddles. Give me a second.
This is our new topic. We have to figure out, what does he look like? Describe this thing.
Yeah.
Like a dog.
Alright guys, so here is the story of Cuddles. If you want its name to be Schmuckums, put it in the comment section below. If you want it to be Cuddles number 3, put it in the comment section below. Here's the story of Cuddles. Zach here is playing a game, and the game is called Oblivion, the Elder Scrolls.
Elder Scrolls.
Alright, so he got a horse. I said, what's his name? And he said, Cuddles. Okay, and then the cops took away Cuddles, so now it's gone. So Zach's now playing a game called Catsylvania.
Fun game.
And, yeah, and he has a demon, and he named it Cuddles number 2.
Yep.
So, should its name be Cuddles number 3?
I
Or
believe so.
Schmuckums? Put it in the comment section below.
Or sexy lady.
Sexy lady.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna have a random moment.
How many?
So,
Three. Yeah.
Here comes the random moment.
You okay? You okay?
Another random moment.
You know what guys? I'm gonna go hide by sharing pain.
And then we're gonna have another random moment.
So, remember,
Randomness.
of its name.
Randomness.
You can't mad dog me, do we have a problem?
And if you have name suggestions, put those on too. Bye.
Random moment.
Hey, girl, you looking for some stuff?
What kind of stuff?
Some good stuff.
No, thank you.
It's the best.
Uh-huh.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Sure.
It's the batteries, man.
Oh, yeah.
These batteries will keep your controllers for days, months, years.
Yeah, I
It don't
need
even
some
matter.
batteries. I need
Yeah?
some batteries.
20
How much?
smackaroos right now.
20?
20. Put it in
For
my
what?
hand. Put it in my hand, little girl.
Okay. No.
Yep, here you go. Here you go. Hold on.
We need some batteries.
Alright, it's real. Alright, see ya.
Hey, what's up? That was weird. Thank God Zach was still selling batteries.
I got my money back, though. All of it.
It was good batteries, though. I don't know why it didn't work for her. They must have not liked her or something.
No.
They work for me. I bought them from the best.
Yeah.
OMG, do you have other batteries? I'll, like, so pay you 60.
Okay, guys,
Yeah.
the random moment's over.
Fine.
Aw.
One more?
Yep, one more random moment for you guys.
Do it.
So here is the random moment. Rush me too. Let's go. Yes. Now it is. Hey, I like you. I like you a lot.
Money.
Oh, you smacked the snipper.
The show's over.
And don't forget to comment on this for its names and this for descriptions.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching episode 2. Look out for episode 3. It's going to be even more crazier because this person is going to be in charge. Today it was all Zach. The funniness was all Zach, you guys. You gotta admit, that was hilarious. Alright guys, well, we'll see you next episode. Bye. Love you.
I put it back on.